Basically, I want to talk to you guys. I need some help. Okay. I'm working on a process for a to boycott a judge. All right. Now, real quick, basically, judges have one purpose, and that's to, show up to work every day and preside over cases. Well, if you can prohibit them from presiding over a case, over multiple cases, then they have no work to do. They're not needed, so therefore they can be let go. Um, and you got to understand that it's real hard to get rid of a judge, but we can make it to where the county and the judge, see, the counties basically employ the judges, and if a county has no need for a judge, well, then that judge is out of a job. You know what I mean? They're pretty much not needed. They can be let go or transferred somewhere else, and it'll pretty much ruin their career, though. It'll look bad on them. So the process I have, the judicial boycott, basically we're going to be applying this for Patrice McDonald out there in Montgomery County, Texas. She's the one who threw Josh Jaros in jail. And she's also the judge who granted damages or awarded a money settlement to a woman who was married to two other men before she married the man who is her current husband or was her current husband. And basically Judge Patrice McDonald made this man pay his wife some money, even though his wife was already married to two other men at the same time. She's a habitual marrier. She goes and marries dudes for money, gets a divorce, takes that money, and that's her career. She pled guilty to bigamy the other day, but they put her on a suspended sentence. But Patrice McDonald threatened to throw this man in jail if he didn't pay this woman the money. So I believe that Patrice McDonald is a prime candidate for this procedure, and I need your help. You can contact me through the message or through dadequalcustody@gmail.com, or go to the Dad Equal Custody Facebook page, send us a message. But if you want, you can contact us through the dadequalcustody@gmail.com. Dad Equal Custody is all one word. We need to gather data on this lady. That means that we need people to go in there into her courtroom and observe her. And what we're looking for is psychology students. We're looking for psychology professors. And what they're going to do is go sit in her courtroom and observe her. And we're going to take those observations and we're going to filter through them and compile the data. And we're going to come up with a report for the Texas State Supreme Court, so that they know that they have a judge who's not doing their job, who's incompetent, who's abusive, oppressive in nature, so that we can get them kicked off of the bench. I also need help to fine-tune this procedure because it's never been done before, so we're going to have to work out all the bugs. And there's going to be things that we don't know about right now that are going to come into play in the future, so we need to figure those things out. We also are going to need help once we get the data on this Patrice McDonald lady and we compile it. We're gonna type up a general recusal for everybody who ever has to go in front of her court. It's going to be a general recusal. And basically it's going to say, I don't want this judge because she has a history of oppressive or incompetent decisions. And she's going to ruin my case. And I don't want her as my judge. And as you can imagine, if you have everybody in Montgomery County filing a recusal Patrice McDonald is not going to have she's not going to have anything to do. She's going to be sitting in that courtroom twiddling her thumbs because nobody wants her to be their judge. And that's going to make some waves. So this is a procedure that we have to develop. Whoever joins us is going to be on the forefront of family law reform. And we could really use your help. All right. So again, send an email to dadequalcustody@gmail.com. All one word, dadequalcustody. And just put Patrice McDonald boycott as the subject line. Patrice McDonald boycott. All right. I hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye.